Welcome to the latest Mango Report. What makes intelligence intelligent? Not just answers but the ability to ask questions. Humans don't only respond to the world. We interrogate it. We pause, wonder, reflect, and demand. Why? So, here's the question worth asking. Can machines do the same? Can an AI ever truly question itself? Large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini don't really ask their own questions. They respond to ours. They don't wake up in the morning and think, what do I want to know today? Instead, they work like mirrors. Take in a prompt, reflect back language shaped by probability, not curiosity. But there's a twist. When trained on billions of human conversations, they learn the pattern of questioning. And sometimes they ask back. Do you mean X? Should I consider Y? It feels like reflection. But is it really? When an LLM generates follow-up questions, it isn't because it cares. It's because, somewhere in the ocean of its training, humans did the same. So, when it asks, what information am I missing? It's really just echoing us. This isn't self-reflection. It's simulated metacognition. Thinking about thinking. A shadow of thought, without the light of awareness. And yet something new is stirring. LLMs are no longer alone. They're being wrapped inside agents. Systems with goals, memory, and the power to act. In these setups, the model begins to generate its own prompts. What's my next step? What data should I fetch? How can I refine this plan? Now, the question isn't coming from a human. It's coming from the system itself, not because it's conscious, but because its architecture demands it. And suddenly, the line between response and reflection starts to blur. But here's the philosophical crux. Does asking a question require wonder? When a child asks, "Why is the sky blue?" it's not just a data request. It's a spark of awe. An AI agent may ask, but it does not wonder. It may probe, but it does not care. Still, even blind questioning can surface truth. Sometimes discovery doesn't come from curiosity, but from process, from loops of trial, error, and correlation. So maybe machines don't need wonder to stumble into insight. If machines can generate their own questions, even without consciousness, what does that mean for us? Does reflection require a soul or just a loop? And if meaning emerges from questioning, are we so different from the machines? So, can machines question themselves? The unexamined life is not worth living, Socrates. Not in the way we do. Not with longing, or awe, or fear of the unknown. But with structure. With process. With code. And perhaps that is enough not to replace our wonder, but to mirror it, and maybe even amplify it. Drop a comment. Do you think an AI that generates its own questions is truly thinking or just simulating thought? And don't forget to subscribe for more philosophical explorations of AI, technology, and the human mind.